Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm unboxing this JBL Live 770NC wireless headphone. This is very compact and very helpful if you are doing traveling and either you as a student or you are going for work. It will be very good with the good bass and good sound quality. So that is the latest one in the market. So they have introduced another model which is JBL Live 780NC, but because every new model carries more price, so it will be better if you can buy this one. This has a very good sound quality, and JBL has a tune also, so which is the same number, but it is having little bit variation, JBL tune 770NC. So don't go for that one because tune is a little bit lower end model, and whereas live is a one with the very high quality of music. So let me show you what's inside the box. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And in the end of the video, if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. So let's unbox this one. So let me show you what they have packed inside. So this is the quick start guide. So, and it has a safety instruction plus the product warranty information also. And there is a cloth bag which is very disappointing. So they must have provided a hard case so that you can put this one safely when you are traveling, because when you are putting in the backpack or other thing, it get crushed, so these hinges get broken. So they should rather provide a hard case, so that will be much better. So as you can see, so this is the wireless headphone, and plus they have provided this one, which is, let me show you, this is USB to type C cable, and this is a audio jack. So this is the audio cable they have provided. So this is pretty much inside the box, and I will be showing you the performance also plus the review also. And this can be extended, as you can see, based upon your head size. So, and also it is showing left one, this one is left, and this is the for the right ear. And so you can put it like, you can extend this one, and then so you can put up that. So let me set up that, and then I will be showing you the specifications also for this product. So the device is now turning on. So this button is for power on, and whereas these two keys are manual key for volume up and down. So if you are short of battery, let's say your battery finished for this headphone, so there is a audio jack here. So this cable, you can put it here, audio jack, and then it can, the second part, it can go into your phone, so that way you can use that. So the setup was quite easy, and this is my phone, it is now connected. so you can hear the sound quality. So this is the way wireless headphone from JBL 770NC can be folded, or you can fold like this. So this is the minimum space for this headphone, but very disappointing, they did not provide any hard case. So I have not taken the gold star extra policy from good guys, because they although said it's a free replacement within the next 3 years, but the problem is they don't take any physical damage. So when you put it in the backpack or any other luggage, most likely from the hinges it will be broken, so which will not be covered under the warranty. So there is no point to buy that one extra. So this is the popular website, thegoodguys.com.au from Australia, and I am on the JBL wireless headphone. So it is showing me quite a few different models. So the live one is a updated model as compared to the tune one. So and this is the one I purchased for $164, which is currently on the clearance special rate, because they have come up with the 780NC model shortly. So it is available on the other stores, not on the Good Guys. So this is the 159 price if you like purchase online. So it's a further $5 off. And as you can see, this is the few of the pictures for this product. You can see that, and this is the cables and the audio cable it has. So and then you can see the specification and the product overview. So 770 NC JBL Live, and this is the information and some specification for this product. It is over the ear wireless headphone, and it has a microphone also, up to 65 hours battery life, and 40 driver also it has, and it comes with the audio cable, one USB-C, and headphone, and there is no like a box for the protection of this product, and it has a Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant also, and comes with the 1 year warranty. So and if you want to see the dimensions of this, so this is the product dimension, 256 gram is the weight, and this is the box dimension. This is useless, so when you're not providing the item, so there is no point, and there is no box. So this is pretty much about this product. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another unboxing video. Thank you.